Hi, I'm David with Northwest Safe, and today we're going to take an ordinary console and turn it into a high security safe. Okay, so we're going to prep our console area for the installation of the EXxtreme console safe from Locker Down. This is a model LD2072EX. The EX stands for the EXxtreme, which is going to be the heavier variation of the Locker Down console safes. This model will fit everything from a 2019 on up, 3/4 ton, 1 ton, half ton, GM pickup. So your Silverados, your Sierras. First thing we want to do is remove the rubber base pad, and this will be going away. Next is removing the file folders, or hangers, I should say. And this is a T20 Torx bit. You don't have to use power tools. This will go just fine and fast enough with hand tools, but for the video to be a little bit faster, I'm going to use some power tools. These bolts down here are a 10 millimeter. Okay, the area is prepped for the vault to go in. So the vault has two removable frame pieces that allows you to clear the brackets for the file hangers. And these are just held in with a Phillips bit. And this just lowers right into place. We're going to put these bolts back. If you want, you can put some thread locker on there. Now we're going to put the brackets back into place. Again, these are a number 2 Phillips. Okay, brackets are in. Next thing you want to do is put your foam pad in the safe. I'm going to close the door, finish putting those hangers back in. You don't necessarily need to reinstall these. I'd recommend it though. There's actually a couple trays out there that if you want for organization, you can put on top of the this bracket still to give you a little more storage. You just have to lift it out every time you want to access the safe. So that completes the installation of the Locker Down console safe. If you have any questions, if there's any features you want us to go over, or any questions about installation, just go ahead and give us a call or comment below. Thanks for watching.